Hi everyone, welcome back to Can CAD Channel. Today's tutorial is all about starting your first floor plan in AutoCAD. I'll walk you through the process step by step from the rough sketch to drawing wall in rooms. Let's begin. First thing first, always have a rough sketch ready. For our example, we'll be drawing the plan that includes 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, living dining area, kitchen, and laundry area. Now in AutoCAD, we'll start by drawing outside walls for the floor plan. Those lines show the outside edges of the whole floor plan. We'll draw a rectangle measuring 11,000 millimeters by 7,000 millimeters for the outer walls. Use the line command to get the shape just right. Seven thousand. 11,000. Next, we'll move on to inside walls. To make it quick, we'll use offset command from the modify bar. It's a great tool for making copies of lines at a specific distance. Perfect for interior wall and wardrobes. If you want to know more about offset command, watch my videos that explain it. Let's start with master bedroom. We'll draw rectangle measuring 4,000 millimeters by 3,500 millimeters. Thousand. 3,500. Once it's done, make sure to remove any extra or unwanted lines. For the master bedroom, we'll draw a wardrobe measuring 2,500 millimeters by 600 millimeters. $2,500. Make sure to remove any extra or unwanted lines. Now for second bedroom, draw another rectangle 3,500 millimeters by 3,000 millimeters. Don't forget clean up extra lines, just like before. For the second bedroom, we'll add a slightly smaller wardrobe, measuring 2,000 millimeters by 600. Make sure to remove any unwanted lines. Let's take care of a bathroom next. Draw rectangles measuring 2500 millimeters by 2000 for bathroom. 2500. In 2000. And for the laundry space, we'll create a smaller space with dimensions 2500 millimeters by 1000 millimeters. $1,000. Again, always remove those unwanted lines once you finish with each area. Just like that. You've successfully started drawing your floor plan. Great job following along. If this tutorial helped, be sure to hit the like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more AutoCAD tips. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.